Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can travel to Germany for free. Yes, you heard me right. It's just something that you are interested in. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And if you're new to this channel, introduce yourself in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And yes, so all my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you so much for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, I see you, my returning subscribers. Thank you for liking my videos every single time. Thank you for always sharing my videos out, and thank you for your beautiful comments every single time you tune in to watch my videos on this channel. I want to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to introduce myself in the course of today's video, but let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of DAAD Germany 2026? Do you know that it is fully funded? Yes, so these are fully funded scholarships in Germany. And just so you know, the DAAD scholarships are officially here and they are fully funded, which means that you can focus on your studies, your research, and your career growth while enjoying one of the best education systems in the world. Whether you're aiming for a master's degree or PhD, DAAD provides not only tuition coverage but also a monthly stipend. They also provide health insurance and even travel allowances. So don't just dream about studying in Germany. Make it happen with DAAD. Go ahead and check the full breakdown of requirements and the benefits and the application processes. And just so you know, when you travel to another country, guess what? You get to immerse yourself in the culture. And not just that, you get to learn a new language. Not just that, you also get to earn an international degree. And not just that, when you get back into your home country, you're going to be viewed as an expatriate. Yes, and you can be paid way more than they would have paid you if you remained in your country. And not just that, you can also meet your future partner in the when you travel abroad. And you also get to understand, the culture, the food, how they behave, and all of this good stuff. You also get to navigate things on your own. You also get to discover yourself. Yes, things that you didn't know you could do, things that you never knew you were capable of doing. Honestly, there are so many benefits. The benefits of traveling abroad and studying abroad, the list is endless. So guys, take advantage of this DAAD scholarship. Like I said, it's currently open and you can study in Germany, whether as a master's degree student or as a PhD student. There are so many opportunities that you also stand to benefit when you travel abroad. Please don't miss out on all of these scholarships that I'm sharing with you guys. I'm encouraging you to read more details about this opportunity on their website. Yes, you can also get tips on how to effectively prepare by checking out their guide on how best to navigate the entire process. And here are some benefits of this scholarship. So just so you know, they offer substantial support to successful candidates, and this makes it a highly attractive opportunity for aspiring students. And some of the key benefits include full tuition. I kid you not, the scholarship covers 100% of your tuition fees for both in-state and out-of-state students. It helps you to significantly reduce the financial burden of being a student. You get a generous stipend. I hope you know that you also receive a minimum stipend, like they pay you every single month to cover your living expenses, and this allows you to focus on your studies and your research where possible. You also get summer salary. Just so you know, they provide a summer salary for you, and they make sure that you have financial support throughout your entire year. Yes, including outside of the traditional academic semesters. They are so I tell you, the list is endless. Traveling abroad takes you get to a point where you can relate with, honestly, you get to a point where you have a better understanding how the world works. You have a better understanding about how the world works. So on this channel, I bring to you the most prestigious, fully funded scholarships in the world. Please make sure that you watch out for my next videos because I have another scholarship in the UK. I don't want to spill all the tea now, but I want to make sure that you guys are informed, you guys stay connected to all of the amazing upcoming scholarships in 2026. Please don't miss out on all this opportunity. I tell you, majority of the scholarships are fully funded, which means that they cover tuition, living expenses. It's also covered and no separate application is required. Yes, you heard me right. So go ahead and apply for these scholarships, even if you think that you do not qualify. And please, if you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. And if you also want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, I'm more than happy to assist you whichever way that I can. I already have my master's degree in business and I studied here in California State University, Dominguez Hills. So yes, I have the experience to share with you guys and I can help guide you throughout the process of application. So please feel free to join my Patreon community. You can find the link in the description, or you can also join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button, and then you can book a one-on-one session with me. So guys, don't sleep on these awesome opportunities I'm sharing with you guys right here on this channel. And yes, to all of you that are seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But I implore you to tune into this channel every day because there's something for someone. There's something for everyone once you tune into this channel. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you once again. If you have not liked this video, please, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, go ahead and like this video, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel in case you have not joined the family. Do you know that subscribing is free of charge? I've heard someone say, oh, do we have to pay to subscribe to your channel? I'm like, no, subscribing is free. Hello, you don't have to pay. All you need to do is to log in with your Gmail account. That is all. Just log into, with your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, create one. It's free. Then you log in and leave your comments. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know. And honestly, if you need help with your application, please don't hesitate to also let me know. And here are certain things that you should highlight in your application. So I'll advise you to highlight your academic achievements, yes, even though they look beyond that. Also share your research interests or your career goal and show how you're going to contribute to this university community and beyond. And here is a chance to tell your story and tell it boldly. So guys, please don't hesitate, don't wait on it, don't sleep on these opportunities. Go ahead and apply even if you think that you will not be selected. Go ahead and apply even if you think that you will not be picked. Go ahead and apply even if you think that they will not give you admission. Just apply because I said so. You can be on your next flight to Germany. So guys, if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and forget to share with your friends. And yes, quick one, if you have any issue at all, or you want me to assist you with anything at all during your application process, please let me know in the comments. It's okay, let me know in the comments. It may take a while, but if it's really urgent, then go ahead and join my Patreon community. Then you can book a one-on-one consultation. That way, it takes priority over everything else. And if you have left a comment on my channel and I have not responded, please don't worry, I'll get to you. Just allow me. This is not the only channel I have. I have multiple YouTube channels. So please bear with me. I will definitely get back to you. Yes, I have a team, but I deliberately ensure that I respond to the questions, to the comments by myself. So please just bear with me. And of course, that is all I have for you in today's video. Just in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you are sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and get to and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.